repair, repair, repair,
repairing, repaired, repairs.
Noun. 1.
The act of putting something in working order again.
2.
A formal way of referring to the condition of something.
3.
A frequently visited place.
Verb.
1.
Restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken.
2.
Make amends for. Pay compensation for.
3.
Move, travel, or proceed towards some place.
4.
Set straight or right.
5.
Give new life or energy to.
Listen and practice.
The building was in good repair. The building was in good repair. He repaired to his cabin in the woods. He repaired to his cabin in the woods. This treatment repaired my health. This treatment repaired my health.
repair.